Welcome to the workshop. This is a ashtray cover for a 1990 Jaguar XJ6 Sovereign. One of the problems I've had is that the cigarette lighter does not work. Neither of them do. So I went to the store and bought something that I've always wanted to do. It is a cigarette lighter and a USB port. And what I did was took this out of the car and on the other side bolted that to it, and now the wires come out the same slot that the cigarette lighter is at, and I will be able to wire this into the center fuse box, which is right nearby. There's also a ground that'll work as well.